Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today I'm going to do another cleaning video. So if you're needing some cleaning motivation today, I've got you covered. This morning my husband and my toddler went to the park for their daily walk, so I got to do a pretty big clean by myself, which is always a nice treat. Even though it's cleaning and it might not seem like an enjoyable task, I actually quite enjoy it. And just having a tidy space really helps clear my mind. So I am going to tackle as much as I can before they get back home. I believe I'm gonna have about an hour to spare, so I'm gonna try my best to do as much as I can. If you are new around here, my name is Madeline and I have a 2-year-old son. He's actually 2.5 now. We live in London and we actually moved here just about a year ago, and we're actually planning to move from this flat soon-ish. I will keep you guys updated on that. Obviously the situation is a bit weird with the lockdown and everything, but yes, I will keep you posted on that, and there will be moving vlogs and organizing, declutter, home cleaning. So if you want to see all of that, don't forget to subscribe so that you get a notification for each video. I'm starting in the bedroom today. I'm just going to strip the beds and wash the sheets. We do have a few sets of sheets and like duvet covers and pillowcases, but these are my favorite ones. This is a set that I got from Primark. So I'm just going to wash it, dry it in the tumble dryer, and I'm going to put it on the bed straight after. So I'm gonna remake the bed later on in the day when it's all nice and dry. So I'm taking off the duvet cover, and my tip for this is to close up again all the buttons on the duvet cover, because if you put it in the wash, it has happened many times before to me, all of the other pillowcases and everything else that I put in the wash ends up inside of the duvet cover, and then it doesn't wash properly and it doesn't dry properly either. So I just make sure to close up all the buttons so that it avoids that. That star's got nothing on you. That one's brand new, still it's got nothing on you tonight. I'm going to put that in the washing machine. I'm going to use this Persil non-bio detergent. We were out of fabric softener today, so I didn't have that, but I usually put that as well. And then I usually put some Unstoppables in for the scent, because I really love the fresh scent from Unstoppables. However, I sent my husband shopping for cleaning products and he bought these ones. They're just a random Lenore ones. They smell nice, but I actually prefer the Unstoppables, but you know, we're just gonna use these up anyway. And then I'm also going to add some Vanish OxyClean. It's just to whiten up the fabrics, so it's really nice for sheets and towels and things like that. Came for a while, I thought you might be bailing. Is that the same yellow shirt you used to wear? But 1,000 years seem like almost no time now. I'm also going to vacuum up the mattress. I usually do a sprinkle of baking soda on it, because that helps absorb moisture and it really helps freshen up the bed. But I didn't have any on hand today, so I'm just going to vacuum up the mattress just to kind of refresh it a bit while the sheets are in the wash. Useless words. What you said, what I said, that might have made it worse. We're here again at the same spot where we kissed the first time. I swear my pain's far away, long gone by now. Moving on to the living room, which is always a complete disaster because it's a living room / playroom. And I don't know about you, but in lockdown, I feel like it's so hard to keep it tidy. And even if I do tidy like I'm doing right now, I can bet you anything, in about an hour or two, it's gonna look almost the same. So sometimes I feel like it's pointless, but I do wanna tidy up just so that I can vacuum and mop and make sure the floor is nice and clean. But yeah, I just feel like it's such a struggle during lockdown to keep everything looking tidy. Do you guys find it the same? Let me know in the comments below. Let me know I'm not the only one, but it's just so much harder when you are at home almost the entire time. So here I'm just tidying up my toddler's train tracks. I'm just gonna put these away. These are from Ikea, most of them. And then I'm also going to put away this puzzle. We've actually bought quite a few puzzles for Victor lately. He's been really into them. I actually got a few questions on Instagram about his puzzles and how I kind of got him into it. I don't feel like I did anything special, to be honest. I just bought a box of smaller puzzles for toddlers on a whim because I just wanted to see if he would like them or not. and he loved them. So I would just sit there with him and help him put it together. And after a while, he just started doing it on his own, because obviously he learned where all the pieces go. So it's a really nice activity for him, and we've bought quite a few more puzzle sets ever since then, including this giant floor one. So I will link all of his puzzles down below. They're all from Amazon if you guys are interested. I'm going to spray the dining table with my Method spray, and then I'm going to move on to this side of the living room. So I'm going to straighten up the sofa. I'm going to take my toddler's blankets into his room, and I'm going to tidy up these rows in here as well.
I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together?
Next, I'm going to tidy up this morning's activities. We played with Play-Doh and did some coloring. Yes, I'm just going to put all of his animal shapes back, and also the Play-Dohs as well. He's got some stickers that he's been sticking to the table, and then he's also got some crumbs here from the waffles that he had this morning. So I'm just gonna tidy it all up, and then also the crayons and markers that he uses as well. Gonna also give it a quick spray and then move on to the rest of the toys that are on the floor.
Stay here forever. I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know?
I'm also going to spray down his play kitchen. This is also from Ikea. He really loves playing with this every once in a while. And then I'm also going to spray down this windowsill and then the windows as well.
I've been holding on, I wouldn't let you go. 'Cause every time I try, you find a loophole. I've been slamming the door and just leave you cold. When I come back, you've heated up the South Pole. You see my body rush for the escape, while my heart wants to stay. I run away, hit the road, and almost died, but I keep.
I actually needed to get quite a few cleaning products, so I was out of window cleaner as well. So I'm just going to use my Method antibacterial spray. It works pretty well, I would say, anyway. And then I'm also going to open up a window just to get some fresh air in here as well. So that's the living room and play area, nice and tidy. My next step now is to vacuum the entire living room. I'm using my Dyson for this. I really love it. It's really nice that it's cordless. It just makes the job so much easier and faster. And actually I find that my husband loves vacuuming with this one so much better. I just think it's so much more convenient, and it actually makes you want to vacuum a bit more frequently. And then I'm going to mop the hardwood floors here in the living room. I'm using my Bona mop for this. The reason why I love it is because you don't need a bucket for it. So I just find it so much more convenient this way. So you just have this Velcro cloth that you can actually put in the washing machine, which I think is brilliant to get it all nice and clean. And then you put your floor liquid in this container right here, and then you just spray and mop. It's really quick and easy this way. Next, I'm moving into the kitchen, and I'm going to start by tidying up the counters. So I'm going to put things away. I'm going to fold this tea towel and put it back in its place. And I'm going to get started on washing the dishes in here. I've actually started a load in the dishwasher this morning, so that's still going on. But these are just a few things that couldn't fit in there. So I'm going to hand wash them with my Dishmatic.
You as you dry. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
Today I wanted to give the sink a bit of a scrub, and I want to do a bit more intense one than I usually do. I usually just, like on a daily basis, I just spray it down with my Method spray. But once in a while it's really nice to give it a better scrub. So I'm going to use my Cif cleaner for this. This is brilliant for really getting the grime out. So I'm just going to use this all over the sink. I'm just going to lather it up and scrub it all really well.
With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment.
And then I'm going to repeat the same process that I did in the sink. I'm going to do that on the stove top as well. So scrub it again with the Cif and a sponge really well.
I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
And then I'm going around with my Method antibacterial spray all over the countertops. So just freshening up all of the areas in here. Then I'm going to take out these two little rugs that I have in here, and then I'm also going to vacuum and mop the kitchen as well.
Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along, and I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'll love it.
And then by this time the boys were back from the park. So that concludes my clean with me for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you get a bit of cleaning motivation, and I hope you are having a great day. Bye guys.